Okay, dear students, in my previous video, I taught you about the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Now, let's discuss in detail about the first part of the speech, that is noun. There are some words which are specially used to address some person, place, things, animals, feelings, relations, each and everything in the world. We have given some names in all the languages. No any language can be imagined without the names. Yes, each and every person, place or thing, everything in this world has given some name so that we can identify the things differently. We can differentiate between the different things. Okay. So the very simple definition of the word, the category noun is, these are the naming words. These are the naming words because each and every word which gives the name of anything, any person or any place, that is called noun. So the noun is a word which is mainly used to introduce the things, to identify the things among the different things. Okay, these are the naming words, the names of the person, names of the places, names of the things, animals and feelings, relations, states, everything. We have given some names in the language English, in all languages, but we are talking about English. So these naming words are called nouns. I hope you understood this. Now let's understand by some examples. Okay. Example 1, persons. Okay, the names of the persons, like I have my name, you also have your name, your parents have name, everybody has a name, unique name. Just like Ram, Sita, boy, girl, okay, lady, James. These are all the names given to some individual person or a group of persons. Just like group of person means boys. In this category, all boys are coming in this category, not the girls. But in the category of girls, only girls are considered. Just like that. Ram and Sita are the individual names, but boy is a name given to the category who belongs to boys. Mother, mother is also the name which is given to uh, the parents. Lady parent of any child is called mother. Teacher, who teaches you, everybody who teach you is a teacher for you, etc. There are so many names of the persons given. Now let's talk about the names of the places. Yes, places just like Khargon. I live in Khargon, you live in Khargon. So this place, for us, we have given the name this place Khargon. But some people, they are living in Indore. Some people are living in Dhar, Dhamnod, etc. So each and every place has been given a name. Now, villages, cities, towns, these are the names given for a particular category of the places. It is not an individual place, but it is a category of place where we call it rural areas. City, which we call it urban areas. Okay. Mountain is also a name of place where the land is something higher than the plains. So that type of place is also given a name, that is mountain. The high altitude areas, they are called mountains. So there are different names given to the different places. Things, yes. Things also have given. Otherwise, how would we identify this thing that this is a marker? Okay. So toys, computer, books, pencil, mobile, videos, all the things have been given some names. So these are the names of some things. Now the names of animals, yes, names of the animals. They also have given some names, just like tiger. When I say you tiger, you have a picture in your mind that what type of animal is tiger. Lion, if I say lion, you identify, you differentiate among the other animals that lion, how does it look. Okay. Eagle is a bird. Cat, fish lives in water, etc. There are so many animals, plants also lives on the earth, and each and every animal and plants we have given some names. Okay. So these are also naming words and they are also called nouns. Now feelings, some things, some feelings and relations. We have also given the names to these things also. Just like we cannot see the feelings, but we can only feel it by heart. But even then, we have given some names to these feelings. Just like beauty, beauty is a feeling which we can only feel. Happiness, sadness, sometimes we surprise. Friendship is a name of a relation between some people. If they are bound so close, so we can call them friends. So friendship, enmity, there are so many relations and so many states and emotions which are given some names. So each and everything which we can feel or see by our eyes, they have been given some names, and these naming words are called the first category of the parts of speech, noun. So there are so many names in the world, they are called nouns. Now let's discuss about the different kinds of nouns. Okay, we are talking about the first category, the first part of speech, noun. And noun has mainly five categories or kinds. We can further divide nouns in five different categories. And especially for the students of the classes first to fifth, it is very important topic. And you will be asked, definitely asked the questions out of this topic. So I suggest you to revise and learn this topic as much as possible. So watch this video many times and take the help of your elders to try to understand the things what I am trying to explain you. Okay. Now there are five kinds of noun. The first kind of noun is a proper noun. Proper noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming words, or I should write in the bracket. These are names only. Names. Okay. So what is the first type of names? Proper names. Proper names means there are so many children, there are so many students in your class, there are so many friends like you, but each and everyone has been given some unique name by your parents. Okay, Arnav, Arav, Riya, Disha, Sita, Monu, Sonu, Bablu, W. These are the so many names which is given by your parents. So that in a class of 30 students, everybody, each and every student should have their unique name. So whenever I call Monu, so only Monu will be alert and he will be standing and saying yes sir, right? So everybody has been given a proper name, a unique name. So these unique names are called proper noun. Now these unique names are given to all: person, places, things, animals, everybody. Okay, proper noun. Just like, for example, Ram is a unique name of any boy. Okay, Sita, Rita, Riya, all these are proper names given to a specific person. Places, just like we can call any city, but Khargon is a specific city. It is the name given to only this place. Indore, Dhar. Suppose I take Dhar. Okay. Person's specific name, place specific name, thing, proper for the animals we don't give a unique name. For our pet animals, just we give them name. Just like I have a pet dog, but dog is a common name for every dog. But if I want to give my dog a unique name, just like Tipu, I have given my dog a name, specific name Tipu. Whenever I call Tipu, he always come to me. So Tipu is his specific name, proper name. But whenever I call dog is the name for, it is a common name for each dog in the world. So these are the names: Ram, Dhar, Khargon. These are specific names. Okay, now come to common noun. In opposite to the proper noun, the common noun is given to a common type of person, places or thing. They are same kind. They are of same kind. Just like if I say Ram is a specific name given to specific boy. But if I say boy, now boy is the common name for each and every boy sitting in the class. Girl, yes, girl is a definitely the other category, but they are also something common in them. So the names which is commonly given to a same category or same class of persons, places or things, these are called common nouns. Boys, girls, mother, teacher. Teacher is a common name for all the teachers. Okay. Places, just like I have given Dhar and Khargon, this is the specific name. But if I say city, village, this is not a proper name. This is city is the name for all cities, whether it is a Dhar, Khargon or Indore. City is same for all. So some names are common for same category and some names are unique. Unique names are called proper noun and the common names are called common noun. Let's move to the collective noun. This is the third kind of noun, collective noun. Now, collective names, the names which has been given to some collection, some group of people, group of places, group of things. When they are combined, we speak about them as a whole. That type of group has given a unique name. Just like whenever we see some soldiers coming, we say army. The group of soldiers, we tell them army. Okay. So army is the name of a collection of soldiers. Now collection of the general people, we call them crowd. Crowd of people. Okay. Crowd of people. Sometimes for the animals, we also have some different names of the groups, just like pride of lion. The group of lions is called pride. The group of wolves, they are called pack. The group of ants, they called colony. The group of fish, yes, the group of fish is called school. Yes. And the group of birds, they are called flock. So there are so many different names which are given to the group of people, group of places, group of things. When we give the name to a group, that specific group is called collective noun. Now there is a difference between common noun and collective noun. Just like if I am telling boy, so boy is the name given to the same class, same category of the people. They have some physical specifications. That's why we have put them into a group of boy. But army is different, crowd is different, flock is different. They are differently used for the different things. So there is a little confusion between these two, but when you practice them, when you learn them, this confusion will go out of your mind. Now come to the next one, that is material noun. Material. What is material? in science or EVS, you might have learned that material. Material is the name of the substance. The substance by which the things are made. Just like this is wooden. This is made of wood. Wood is a material, and by that material, these table, these furnitures are made. Your doors are made. Your windows are made. Iron is also used in so many things to prepare plastic. This marker is made up of plastic. So plastic is the material. Material are the substance by which the different things are made. Okay. So material just like gold. Okay. Gold, silver, iron, wood, plastic. These are different materials by which the things are made. They are called material now. Gold, silver, iron, so many materials. Okay, now come to the fifth type of noun, that is abstract noun. Now abstract noun, I told you that there are some feelings, some emotions, some relations, there are some states, some qualities which are also given some names. Qualities are also given some names, but we can only feel them, we can only express them by some words. We have also given them names, just like beauty. Yes, beauty. We can feel the beauty. Happiness, sadness, some states just like childhood, parenthood, childhood, beauty. There are so many states. Uh, Childhood, parenthood, beauty, and we also have some examples. Abstract noun. So these are the five types. Proper noun, in which we give the proper names to the things or place or person. Common noun, the names given to the same category or the same class of people or the places or the things. Collection, when different type of collection of the person, places or things are given different names, just like the collection of soldiers are called army, the collection of the general people they are called crowd, the collection of the birds they are called flock. Material noun, the name of the materials by which the things are made, they are called material noun. The names of that material substances are called material noun. Gold, silver, iron, wood. Abstract noun, the feelings or the emotions or the states or the qualities of the people, just like clever, okay, truth, okay, these type of things we can say, these qualities showing words, they are called abstract nouns. So I hope that you have understood the what is the difference between these type of, or how can we categorize the different names into different category. So this is what we learnt here, is the kind of noun, and it is very important for the classes 1st to 5th.